Hello traders, in this video I would like to address why we're dealing with such slow markets. As you can see, I stated clearly, frozen markets, institutions holding long. This is what price have done for the previous hour. Stated clearly, institutions holding long. If you choose to buy at this level, success rate less than 60%. As I stated, we need powerful pullback. Without it, trading extremely aggressive. So, if we're speaking with students this morning, if you probably saw the previous video on S&P, this is the post from traders. On S&P, extremely aggressive trading, 5.25 points. This is the reason we switched to Dow, which had spectacular moves at the open. Gene, no problem, killing it with options. On Win, on QQQ, on SPY. Other traders are quiet. Why? Because markets are very challenging. Markets are very slow for this reason. Institutional charts in the middle of rally. Institutional rally stuck at critical institutional resistance. We knew so far in advance. We knew that last week was spectacular. Month of March was a dream. Institutional bottom. But when buyers fully in charge at institutional resistance, holding longs, doing nothing, sunbathing in Hamptons, holding positions, intelligent trader knows powerful pullback is critical. Without powerful pullback, markets are brutal. It's a stunning bullish train that's taking a pause. Do you want to ride bullish train? If you choose to short into this, your success rate is none. Zero. Less than 5%. Institutional traders simply holding longs. Any meaningful pullback, look to buy. If you're choosing to short, you're understanding nothing about institutional trends, institutional power. You have a lot to learn. So let me show you Dow when Dow was spectacular. And let me remind you posts when market was moving. If market will do so now, intelligent trader will be very excited. Intelligent trader has zero interest in baits. Market full of baits, not trades. And it doesn't matter if it's 3, if it's 5, it's any chart you trade. Ouch is the name of the game. So, here's Dow during historical months of February. Anyone surprised where Dow crashed from? Should not be. Did we know the Dow heading to 22,000? Of course. Did we know if 22,000 is out, 19,000 is next? Absolutely. All the details in Thursday class and in modules 3 and 4. That's exactly what Dow has done, reaching crucial levels. No surprise. What plays out next? And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. And that's where Dow rallied from. This is Dow now. In front of you. Intelligent trader was buying from Alpha Fibonacci support. Dow is up from this support 6,000 points. Institutions can afford to buy this high. Anyone surprised? We knew you do not want to short this market. We are monitoring this support very, very carefully. But if you're understanding the danger of this, you are spending very little time in front of the screen. You are trading market opened only, knowing quite well. Hand holding never a recipe for success. Never ever will be. Being follower is not being successful. Being independent trader is. And that's very challenging markets. And that's what intelligent traders do. Spectacular trading. Well before this pain. S&P 4 points, gold 45. As Jennifer says, very challenging. Intelligent trader knows that. There is no 10, 15, 20 pause as you see on typical powerful day, as you see on typical powerful week. This is challenging. This is aggressive trading. This is what intelligent traders know. Market in a lot of pain. Your success starts only when you understand challenging market. When you separate spectacular markets from brutal ones. That's the key. This is the post from students week prior. This never gets sold from Brad. J 13.5 points on S&P. It's impossible to do so in this market. Correct? Ken keeps reporting. 25 for 25 trades. As of right now, as of yesterday, Ken at 32 for 32. This is intelligent, brilliant trading. This is from yesterday, 32 for 32, as Jean was killing it with options. Thousands and thousands of posts for the last 10 years. This is what intelligent traders do. Right now, markets is brutal. This is from yesterday. Jean killing it. Options, options, options. Not a problem. Day trading, very painful crawl. That's the only option now. Your success will start when you stop losing time, when you stop wasting staring at the screens during exhausted markets. Overextended rallies, the most challenging place to be. Month of March was a dream. Another support was spectacular. This was breathtaking. This is not. When price at institutional resistance with zero sellers, institutional traders enjoying beach in Hamptons. So should you. If you understand what institutional traders do, so should you. That's the only way to be successful. Choice is yours. Trading with institutions is the only way to trade. Powerful pullback is a gift. Without powerful pullback, it's a crawl. It's a pain. Market stuck and frozen. So trading with institutions is the most crucial part of Alpha Fibonacci system. Please review the information online and please choose from options appropriate for you. every Thursday class and modules 3 and 4 devoted to institutional trends, which is a crucial part of alpha Fibonacci analysis and alpha Fibonacci system. So take advantage of the last 2 spots left with the biggest discount ever. Lifetime license of software with 3 months group classes, video library, and live trading sessions. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. Students with few $1,000 accounts to 7-8-figure accounts in the course now. From Florida to New York to Boston to Singapore to Hong Kong to Saudi Arabia to London in the course now. If you listen to podcasts, every week I will upload new podcasts. New podcasts coming this Saturday, where you can listen to traders who trading futures, stocks, options, from beginner to hedge fund manager, to trader who lost a fortune for the previous 10, 15, 20 years. You want to see more? Take a look on reviews. View videos students making about their journeys, their stories. Those who know clearly. If you want to create this performance, as you saw, Brad is here this morning, you understand the power of trading with institutions. You understand the danger of overextended institutional rally. And if you want to trade options, absolutely traded by students all over the world. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. It's a crawl. It's a pain. This is only option. If you understand this, you start becoming confident trader. You stop losing money. You stop being in pain. Trading with institutions is the most important part of successful trading. If you want to be on the beach in Hamptons, understand what institutional traders do. Right now, they're doing nothing. They're holding their profits, enjoying this bullish train. And if they will do nothing for weeks and months, you will need to choose your trade especially, extremely carefully. Otherwise, you will be in serious trouble. This can remain for a long time. Bullish rally is frozen and stuck. Problem is, it's institutional resistance, traders. It's not institutional support. And when bullish trend takes a major stop at resistance with zero sellers, it's a problem for a trader who uses indicators. It's a problem for a trader who does not understand what this means. Zero problems for intelligent, strategic, alpha Fibonacci trader who pays attention to videos in modules 3 and 4, who attends Thursday class, who is asking questions, who is making effort. Price is frozen. And this can remain for weeks and months. Plays out at least 40% of the time. Thank you, traders. You want to trade with institutions? You serious about trading? I look forward working with you.